Is your Epson L3210 black ink not printing, even though the ink tank is full? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to fix the problem and get your black ink printing normally again. Before we start the repair, let's perform a manual print test, also known as a nozzle check. This will help us identify which colors are having problems. First, load a few sheets of paper into the paper tray. Next, turn off the printer and wait until it is completely powered off. Then, press and hold the stop button, and at the same time, press the power button. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't worry if the lights start flashing. This is normal. The printer is working in the background, so just wait for a moment. The printer will automatically print a nozzle check pattern. Okay, here it is. This is called a nozzle check pattern. As you can see, the black pattern should normally appear as solid, unbroken lines. Normally, you should see a nozzle check pattern with solid, unbroken lines for both black and color, like you can see in this example. Unfortunately, the black ink is completely missing, while many of the color lines are also broken. This indicates that the nozzles in the printhead are clogged. So let's move on to the first method. The most basic solution when you have an ink-related problem with an Epson printer is to perform a printhead cleaning. You can do this manually without using a computer. With the printer turned on, press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release the button. The printhead cleaning process will now begin. You'll know it has started when the power light begins flashing and the printer starts making some noise. The cleaning process takes about 3 minutes, so please wait until it is finished. As you can see, the power light has stopped flashing. This means the printhead cleaning is complete. Next, wait for about 15 seconds and then perform another nozzle check to see if the print quality has improved. If the first cleaning does not improve the ink flow, you can repeat the printhead cleaning up to 3 times. Just wait about 1 minute between each cleaning cycle. Okay? After waiting for 15 seconds, let's print another nozzle check pattern. Turn off the printer, then press and hold the stop button and press the power button. Keep holding both buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release them at the same time. And here is the new nozzle check pattern. As you can see, the black ink is now printing again. For the color nozzles, only the cyan pattern still shows some missing lines, which means there is still a partial clog. You can repeat the printhead cleaning process a few more times to achieve the best possible print quality. And remember, always allow about 1 minute between each cleaning cycle. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Happy printing.